morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Friday. Fantastic Friday. Last night I prepared linguine with veggies, with garlic and oil and butter. Oh, it was yummy. I'm glad I have leftovers. I could have probably have eaten it all, but I decided, no, I'm not going to stuff myself. Like I said yesterday, it was based on basically, pasta with garlic and oil. I just expanded on it. If you haven't seen the photos or the video, it's very colorful. Some red and some green and some more green. It's really, really, really good. I will get the ingredient list up a little bit later. Tonight, I'm having a fight with myself. I'm not sure what I want to do. It's either going to be, this is the reason why I'm in my office, because I have nothing to show you. It's either going to be hot dogs and fries or beef tips with Worcestershire, which is onions and beef tips and mashed potatoes. So it's either super easy or medium easy. But one of those, which happens to be the latter, I have to go to the store. So, yeah. I'm not sure yet. Let me know in the comments. What should I do? Hot dogs or beef tips? I know one day this weekend, probably tomorrow, will be Red Baron Pizza. And I'm going, that's super easy. It's the easiest. And I'm working on some things for next week. So yeah, on this fantastic Friday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.